Coach MJ. I'm the guy that you'll bring if you want to have fun in your workshop. My Mission Impossible programs have been delivered in Dubai, Singapore, Manila, and I'm be happy and delighted and honored to bring it to your organization. Recently, without me having no knowledge at all, I was diagnosed with cancer and it was looking pretty bad. But I used my Mission Impossible mantra where I had before talked about other people who'd overcome adversity, never knowing I was going to be one of the stories. So we'll have fun. We'll talk about the possibilities that are within all of us. They're applicable to business. I was a CEO for 15 years. I had 800 employees across 8 countries around the world. And believe me, something went on every day that was seemingly impossible. So we talk about adversity, we talk about resilience, and we find fun ways to learn how to dig through it and overcome it with the possibilities within us all.